Seriously, man? Okay. Seriously? God damn, man, with these stupid. Damn. All right. What's up? Hey, what's up, Alfred? hopefully, hopefully this is a drop right here. All right, let's check the GEX levels. Let's see if we in positive or negative gamma right now. I mean, it's hard to tell. I mean, obviously the momentum is bullish right now, but the gamma levels are negative still. But the momentum is definitely bullish. We are getting some positive levels, some, but it's mostly negative. But we are getting some positive gamma right here. Thank you, Alfred. Thank you. Oh, Griffin Trey, you was shorting this. I mean, you was long. Yeah, I mean this. If y'all was with me last night, y'all know how pissed I was when I came back to my charts this morning. Y'all knew how pissed I was. This crap right here. Y'all knew how pissed I was when I came back to my charts. And then when I came back and saw that not only did it hit the level, I mean, it finally broke it for real. Instead of doing this crap, it finally flushes. It hits the area that I was looking for. And then it goes long. And then it goes super long. And I'm like, you know what? Whatever, man. Whatever. NQ. Yo, congratulations on that. Right of it. Now, I mean, if they can find support here, I mean, if they can find support at this range, which it looks like they're trying to do, I mean, I doubt that they break this high. I doubt it, but they can. I mean, it looks like they're holding this range. So, I mean, Griff can trade. I think if they can hold this range, then I wouldn't argue with you about remaining bullish. Because it looks like, I mean, they're trying to hold it. They're holding this area right here. They've held it once, two, three, four, 5 times so far, and the bulls have been coming back in and buying. So I mean, but if the bears flush this, then yeah, we're going to probably see that for sure. You got 5 layers of sell stops underneath these lows right here. So if the bears can tap into these stops, then you can potentially see that move down right there, or they can hold it. I mean, it really depends. I mean, this range right here is going to be the deciding factor of what direction the market goes into. But I do think that we flushed though. But honestly, I might be a little bit overzealous here. I might be. I mean, you got the 200 and VWAP right here in this area. So if that's where the market is trying to target, I guess I'll keep it right here. Let's see what they're trying to do here. Okay, well, yeah, all right, yeah, Griff can trade. I wouldn't go long here. That was the last chance for bulls to long right here, and they failed just now. So getting their stops ran. All right. About to hit maximum daily profit. I mean, that's close enough right there. That's close enough. All right. That's close. Get into one of these other accounts, I might get into my comp account, but at this point, man, that shit's basically dead to me. I'm not going to sit here and, yeah. 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 Says the ETH high. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, that's the one thing that and then also we had this support trend line turn into resistance as well. It was a hidden channel right here. I don't know if y'all guys can see that, but we had one support channel right here, and then we had a hidden channel right here that turned into support, and then it uh changed and turned into resistance. So we had one, two, three lines of resistance right there that I guess the bears weren't able, or the bulls weren't able to overcome. But I mean, we're getting another test of this area, so I mean, we're getting another test of it. Hmm. You know what? Hmm. I mean, if they can come back, and this would kind of be the deciding factor. Either they're going to push here, and then they're going to see another chance at the highs, or they're going to see this thing dump. I know your ways, Nasdaq. You're not going to get me. I know your ways. I know. Hold on. What the hell just happened? Hold on. What just happened? What? I mean, I made profit, so I'm not going to complain about it. I'm not going to complain about it because I'm profitable. But I don't know what the hell just happened to. I'm not going to complain because I'm profitable, but I don't know what the hell just happened. God damn! Did we just get some news? Oh yeah, we got to put financial juice up. We got to put financial juice up. Something probably happened. Something happened. All right. It's 8:47. I mean, yeah, I really don't even know what the hell just happened, but I'm glad that I was a part of it on the positive side. I'm glad. Yeah, Trishana. Yeah, I do not know what the hell just happened. There's nothing coming across the feed on financial juice. Oh, Putin likely to eventually agree to truce with own terms. Oh, that's what happened. Putin likely to eventually agree to truce, eventually, on his own terms. Hmm. That could have been more. Like I said, I'm not going to complain about it, but that news right there could have been very devastating. And I think that's a great way to kind of prove my point about news only facilitates trade. It does not dictate it. The market is already going to go where it's going to go. The news just makes it get there a little bit faster, because that was some big news right there. And the market did not move outside of structure at all. It just got there. Look, it made support, it got to resistance, and it dropped right back down to support. And now it's coming right. I mean, it's back where it literally started at. Literally. Yeah, good thing, man. I mean, I think we probably go down now, probably. Hold on, guys. Give me 10 minutes. Give me 10 minutes. I have to get this one last thing done. I will say that actually we'll wait until the 9 o'clock algo. I would say, man, this time skip thing that we go through every cycle. I don't know what it is about when we move forward. Time just seems to go a lot faster. And it just feels like there's not enough time in the day to do anything. All right, so let's see. I think we're gonna probably, yeah, we'll see. Because this is where we broke out. This is where we broke out for the CPI. So let's see how the market reacts here. And I'll probably take a long, depending on how it reacts, but not in this account because that's maximum daily profit. So like I said, we're not going to complain when we make money. That was definitely crazy. Let's see what it does here. I mean, if the bulls can't find support here, then I mean, I doubt that they find support. And then you got VWAP right here. Uh, let's see how that 9 o'clock algo, how the market reacts to it. Hmm. All right, so let's see. This is the area where we got that breakout. So let's see how it reacts here. $76, huh? Clean up some of these lines. Where's I deleted the wrong one? Where's All right. All right. Cool. All right. So I made money in all my accounts today. Cool. All right. I don't got any more accounts to trade, guys. Now we can trade in the sim. But hopefully everybody made money on that long entry right there. Clean entry too. I don't need this anymore. Hold on, guys. Yeah, give me like 5 or 10 minutes real quick. Or I guess we'll see how the 9 o'clock algo hits. Oh yeah, I still got the competition account. I guess I could trade that. I guess I can trade the comp account. let's go into the comp account. Ain't no point. Mm. Huh. So does the market dump here or what? I mean, will be the bulls trying to buy the retest here. This is them trying to buy the retest. Okay. Oh my. Oh wow. What? W- Mm, mm. Whoa. Damn, Alfred. Damn, dude. Damn, I mean, I'm sorry to hear that, bro. And you just got that shit. You just got it today too, didn't you? Hmm. That's not even fair, man. Man, that's not even fair, bro. That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. All right. So I mean, I must be cursing this comp account, man, because for whatever reason, I just can't seem to. Okay. Man, that was crazy that it did that. Man, that was crazy it did that, man. All right. So I mean, we got to break a structure right there. Hmm. Got to break a structure right there. I mean, that does look like a. It does look like a. Man, this looks like a nested Head and Shoulders inside another Head and Shoulders. Do y'all see that? Am I tripping? This whole thing looks like a Head and Shoulders pattern. This right here is a Head and Shoulders pattern. And this right here looks like a little double top. So I guess it's obvious the market doesn't want to go higher. I mean, unless it stops me out first unnecessarily, I guess. Yeah, Trishana. The afternoons are definitely it's I wouldn't say it's I mean afternoons has been stepping it up a little bit. It's definitely cleaner. There's less manipulation in the afternoon for sure, especially after 1:30. So says Canada to work with Europe to put pressure on Trump's administration. God damn, dude. I should have kept my entry at dang, why did I get such a hmm. No, I'm gonna leave my stops there. Because I meant to get in at 24. I don't know why I got in so early. I meant to get in at 25, 24, right where VWAP is. Uh, okay. This thing better show me the same energy it was showing last night. I guess the question is, will we see the market just fall right here, or will they actually hold this level again? That's the question. Hmm. I don't want to be unnecessarily stopped out on this, but at the same time, I don't want to risk that much money on this trade, just in case I'm wrong here. Okay. I mean, it looks like they're buying that low, but then it's getting sold right back down. It's like they're buying it though. Okay. I wanted $700. All right. So I hit maximum daily profit on my accounts. It just seems like for whatever reason, it's this comp account that's been giving me trouble. I mean, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. I just don't. I think I've just kind of lost interest in this account. I lost so much money that day. I mean, the amount of money that I lost. I mean, if I'm going to lose money in an account, I would prefer to be this comp account. But I mean, that's a lot of work, man. That's a lot of work to get back. I guess I'm just no longer really into it like that. Because I'm not gonna. I mean, if I make 20K on one contract in this comp account to get me back to break even, I could have made 20K in another account. You know, I mean, that's just how I see it. Mm, mm. Well, I mean, they found. I mean, this is a triple bottom. I mean, are they gonna break this? It's a triple bottom. I mean, the market is low key downtrending a little bit, low key. But I mean, it's not necessarily a trend. We're just making lower highs on the way down. All right. I mean, this thing comes back and dude. All right. Okay. All right. Mm. Mm. Right. All right, so that's it for the comp account. That's just done. All right. Mm. Like, man, you just need a bigger damn stop. But I don't want to put like a bigger stop on it. Mm. 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 Hmm. The way this thing is looking, it might want to pop. It may, but I mean the bearish momentum is still in play. I mean, where would where would the bulls go? I mean, if it does pop, where would they go? Where they go at? I guess I have to wait to get a pop above that level. Hmm. This may be a risky long still. This may be a risky long. I may not get stopped out of it, but I'm probably see some chop. It's interesting that the 21 EMA is right here at the top of that trend line. It's right there at the top of that trend channel. The market already sells at the 21. It buys and sells off the 21. And for it to be right there at that trend channel. We'll see if we'll see if we can get a pop above it. And then I'll add on to but I mean, it's not price is not close enough. I mean, it's not close enough. I mean, you got the trend line all the way over here. And the trend line's right there, and you got price right here. The bulls aren't even close enough to the trend line, so it's gonna probably chop until it gets a little bit closer. Uh, we could see a pop, and then they could buy that for this, or we could just see a continuation down like that. So that stop got hit. Let me just manage this a little bit better. Okay. All right. I mean, I guess we can see if the Bears are going to try to knock it down right there. We'll see. See what happens right there, or if we're just going to see a rejection candle from that area. Hmm. It always starts off that way too. think that's what, like an $800 or $900 loss or something like that. If I do it that way. All right, so we're getting kind of close to that trend line now. I think that's where the bulls were trying to they're trying to wait for. We're getting really close. A breakout here could mean a potential them buying at the bottom of this trend line. I think that's what they're waiting on. Just to get the price action a little bit closer. All right. That's close. That is close right there. We'll see what happens. All right, so looks like we got that pop. Yeah. I mean, they just wanted to get closer to that trend line so they can pop it right there. So I mean, if we can get a strong close above this trend line, then we could potentially see a move back up to 600 potentially. But we'll see. We'll see. Cuz it didn't close above that trend line. Price closed back within it. So we'll see. All right, there goes that pop right there. Mm, looks like they're trying to close price back in that back underneath that resistance trend line right there. So we'll see if the bears are going to be successful here. They try. Yeah, this is definitely a make or break moment for both sides of the market. It's literally at that line. So either the bears are going to reject it here or the bulls are going to pop it. Yeah, shit. Shit, we're not in an environment where a 27-point stop ain't even shit. That's not even viable no more. You can still get stopped out due to all this damn volatility. But I'm not gonna move my stop though. I wonder if she's gonna do me dirty like she did me dirty earlier, stopping me out and then going in my direction. Okay. We got a small little close above that trend line. I mean, that's good news, but the bears can easily push this thing right back into it. We can probably see a move up here to the 50 EMA potentially. The market was literally hugging up against my damn break even, dude. That is, I just find it amazing how often that happens. How she just finds her way right back to my break even no matter how far she travels. There we go. There goes that pop that we was looking for. There goes that pop that we was looking for. All right, let's see if they reject it at the 50 right here. Man, I mean, we're already getting a slight rejection from it. Slight rejection, but mm. Like I said, no matter how far she travels, she loves to come right back to my break even. That's about like 30, 20 points right there. I could have sworn I did that. Ugh. Hmm. Mm. Mm. All right, Shoshana. Society says fading everyone's move won't work in the long run. Uh, I'll agree and disagree at the same time. I mean, where I was buying at was previous area of demand, so it was not like I was fading. I was just buying at demand. Man, that's so close. I mean, I guess you get what you want. I mean, I guess you get what you want, right? Well, all right. Again, I just got to start. And that's mm, I should have been mindful about this hidden channel right here. I should have been more mindful about it because price popped right back into it and sold right the hell off. Hmm. Oh shit. Ah, damn it. Damn. Ah, damn. All right. Just put that back because I forgot. Mm. It's at micros market. Uh, I think eventually I'm gonna get it out of my system, but this could be a potential retest right here. Let's see. We'll see if that's a potential retest of this area right here. It looks like this is a strong low. You got an area of liquidity right here. We'll see if the market holds here. But the market is definitely definitely shorting. Make sure I have that. Honestly, I forgot how I had it the last time. I honestly forgot. I could have sworn it was like a hidden channel somewhere. Or this might have been it right here. I think they were both drawn from that point. I don't know why this thing failed me just to come back and stop me out. I don't know, man. The Nasdaq's been very nasty to me lately. I don't know what's going on with her. She's been very nasty. This crap right here, I usually don't have this happen to me, but now it seems like she's trying to create the habit of stopping me out and then going in my direction. And I'm not gonna lie, honestly, this hurt my feelings because she literally just stopped me out. She stopped me out and then she went in my direction when I was away from the screen. So I mean, mm. She's really good at doing that for whatever reason. She's really good at that. Doing stuff as soon as you stop looking at her, that's when she takes your stop and then she goes right back to what she was doing before. Yeah, I gotta make sure I start doing that from now on. Okay, so this thing is just super selling off. Mm, man, at least I'm green in the accounts that matter, but man, I just lost, dude. When I look at the comp account, it's like, how the hell did I do that? On one contract, I did all that damage, just a death by 1,000 freaking paper cuts, man. How the hell did I do that? You give me one contract, I can lose 20K. You give me three. The fuck, bro? What the hell? Mm. Uh, this is actually my short here. Actually, you may actually see price pop down. You might actually see price pop down 422. Oof. Five 38, 485. Yeah. Hmm. All right. All right. So there goes that pop down. I should have known. Well, I did know. I just didn't do anything about it. Of course, I don't have my phone. All right. So 422. I think I'm gonna start doing it that way. 422, 404. I mean, that really doesn't even make a difference. Okay. Oof. Hmm. We'll see. We might actually get a move down. We may get a move down here. All right, back down to like 400, 390. Hmm. Man, I didn't plan on it to happen. Okay. Because well, that's like 720. So that's like 720 plus 180. That would be a $900 loss. If I do it that way, it'd be $900. Hey, yo, what's up, Game Weight? Red Kit, you said it is a single print. You know, I'm not even looking at Bookmap at all. I mean, we'll see if we'll see. They're probably. Mm. Oof. Ugh. Ugh. I mean, I'm not surprised. I mean, slowly but surely, these trend lines have just really shown their worth, man. They've really shown their worth. It's not a coincidence that the market reacts at these trend lines, man. You just gotta find them and you gotta draw them correctly, and just let the magic of the trend line work. So we got the bulls breaking out of this trend line. They found support, and now they're trying to break out of this trend line. But I don't know. And you got this area, this breaker structure to the downside right here. You still got the market still kind of, sloping down. Yeah, you still got them sloping down. I think they're going to want to do the same thing that they did right here, where they're going to trade to the right, getting closer to the trend line, popping it, and then from there, we'll see what happens. Let's see if she's gonna be nice to me here. Let's see if she'll be nice. Of course, she's not gonna be nice to me. She's been being mean to me all week. Hmm. $568. I mean, I don't think we get above this high. I think this high right here is safe. This swing high before that leg down. Of course she couldn't. Of course. Of course. Don't ever change, Nasdaq. Don't ever change. Don't ever change. I might start trading something else if you ever change. Don't ever change. Hmm. Hmm. The how? Because she didn't fill me in right here. It's like I gotta be rough and nasty with her. I gotta force my way into positions. But then when I'm trying to be nice, beta. Beta. When I try to be nice, she's being mean. Okay. Like, let me try it professionally. Let me limit in. She never touches my limit, only to stop me out. Hmm. Honestly, I would have probably took that. I mean, we're coming into an area of resistance. Hmm. I mean, I know she's gonna be mean to me if I do it though, but I'm gonna do it anyway. These nasty entries. Okay. If I can get like a good, decent, I just want to see what it does around like 520. Because this has to be resistance right here. I mean, you got this nasty double top. You got a sweeping liquidity. You got that. You got that move down, that breaker structure, and then you're coming back. You're filling all these unfilled limit orders for the. I'm not necessarily a reversal, but like a quick little pullback into support, a retest of support. I mean, unless this thing wants to squeeze back up. Mm. You said I need to rebuild with the micros? Nah. I think at this point, I can't ever go back to micros. I don't think I can ever go back to micros. Okay. All right, we'll see what happens here. 49.50. 49.50. Because I mean, this thing could be squeezing right back up like I thought it was. All right, so 49.50. All right, so I'm at my stop at 67. If my stops get hit, I should only lose $1,000 or like $900 or something like that. If this order gets filled and I take it all off here, like what I'm trying to do is trying to like I will say that the competition account has kind of showed me the just trading with one contract. And I only traded one contract in my funded account anyway. So I'm thinking to myself, well, if I can just go back to just trading one contract and just catching the move and scaling in if need be, because I don't necessarily need to scale in. If it hits my target, then I'm making maximum daily profit in my funded account anyway. If it comes back and hits my scale in and then hits my targets, then that's even better. So it's a win-win. But if I lose, I do just want to only lose a defined amount. I don't necessarily want to lose like 2K, 3K, whatever. I mean, I'm used to seeing myself being down that much, but you know, if I can just kind of control that a little bit, and then trading with only one contract gets me more focused on my entries and my exits versus not trading with one contract where I can just get in wherever the hell I want and just trade the momentum and take the profits. So and then this will give me more confident, in my entries. I mean, that was a good entry right there, man. Good entry. Looks like my target should get hit. It should. I mean, unless the Nasdaq's going to be nasty. But obviously getting in at 40 would have been obviously better. I mean, I really don't know. I mean, if I got in at 25, I mean, that thing went all the way to 40, man. That's like 20 points right there. It's 20 points. So I guess I should have I mean, I'm in the position. It doesn't matter. It's spilled milk at this point. I mean, if we do see a move up, then I guess we'll just see that move back up to 600 then. But then I have to ask myself, is the market going to take out these highs right here? Let's look at the hourly chart real quick. I mean, that is bearish on the hourly chart. I mean, you would definitely need another candle. I mean, unless we see a red folder of news on Financial Juice where it says Putin agrees to the ceasefire, we'll definitely see a green candle for sure. We'll definitely see a really big engulfing, probably like a 500-point candle or some shit like that. And then obviously a move right back down. So I will say that in this administration, you really gotta pay attention to news. Last year I didn't even care for news. Now you really gotta pay attention to it now, because anything can happen. Trump can say something, Elon can say something, Putin can do something, Canada can say that we're doing this and then turn around and say, never mind, we're not doing that. It was just bluffing. It's interesting. So, okay, so this is what I find interesting. This is going to be the last thing I talk about before I get off stream. Why the hell does people go to Europe to try to fight the United States when the United States is answers to the, or when Europe answers to the United States? Without the US, Europe will be nothing. Without, if the US were to leave NATO right now, NATO would be nothing. Why do people think that they can go to the damn Europe and think that they can compete with the United States? Why? It's like the craziest thing in the world. Like, why do y'all think that the United States is a global power? We have colonized this whole world. Why do you think you're going to Europe? It doesn't make sense. Or the United States has colonized this whole world. And I only say that because I saw this news right here. Let me show it to you guys. Zelensky found out the hard way, and Canada's going to find out the hard way. You don't go to Europe to fight United States. If you want to fight the United States, you go to China. God. Anyway, Canada's foreign minister, Canada to work with Europe to put pressure on Trump's administration. That happened at 9 o'clock today. It's not going to work. But, I mean, it's what these people think will work. So, I mean, whatever. I guess you can't really help stupid. You just have to have stupid find out. But I think they're just probably doing that to, like I said, they're just trying to appear tough. Appear like, yeah, we're going to stand against the tyranny of Trump and the United States, and we're going to stand together, and we're going to be strong, ape strong together type shit. And then Europe is like, yeah, we'll go on the cameras and look good. And then behind the closed doors, like, yeah, motherfucker, yeah, we ain't about that shit, bro. We ain't about that. We answer to the United States too. Shit. They're dependent on Russia more than anything over there. So it's interesting how in the public they can sit there and condemn Russia and then turn around and buy all their resources from Russia. It's like the craziest shit in the world. If I was Russia, it was like, okay, I want to talk shit. Shit. They better hope Russia don't be fucking increasing their but then they'll just do what they did during the beginning of the war. They'll just buy it from they'll buy it from like Turkey or something like that. That's how they was buying Russian oil on the low. So they can sit there and say on the news that we're not buying Russian oil. They're buying it from Turkey, and Turkey buys their oil from Russia. So it's really just a shit show. It's just like a clown show, a circus, a political stage. But all right, so we'll see. We'll see if we get a little small little pullback here. If not, I'll just take the yeah. This is a $900 loss right here if it hits my stop. If I'm wrong. Yep, that's exactly what it is, man. I mean, yeah. I mean, you don't gotta like Trump. Like I said, man. I've said this before. You gotta pay attention to what you hate. You gotta pay attention. Your subconscious mind does not take the time to say, well, you don't like Trump, but you don't hate successful businessmen. You call Trump a con man. Everything that Trump has accomplished, you block those blessings from yourself. And that's what I've learned to not. That's why they tell you not to hate, because you're literally blocking your blessings. Your subconscious mind will push you away from what you hate. It will. Don't think that it won't. And I think we're all trying to be just as successful as Trump is, because we're all here. We go to work trying to make money. We're in the markets trying to make money. We're all trying to make money, trying to better ourselves so we can take better care of our families. We're all trying to do it here. That's why we're here. And if you hate successful people, you will block that blessing. Just keep that in mind. If you align yourself with unsuccessful people because of your feelings, just know that your subconscious mind doesn't care. It says, oh, so you want to be unsuccessful. You agree with unsuccessful people. You agree with people that don't contribute to society and don't have any ideas. They only have complaints, gripes. excuses on why they didn't execute. It's always somebody else's fault. And if you align with those people, then you'll start to see those behaviors manifest in your reality. So just be mindful of that. All right. Well, this should have only been a $900 loss unless I made a mistake somewhere. All right. So that should have only been a $900 loss. I must have did the math wrong. So I could have sworn I got in at, so I think I got in at what? 25? All right. So let me just do the math one more time. Because if I get in at 25, a 25-point stop should be only $450. And then I'm adding, oh, okay. I remember I did the math wrong. Okay, I did the math wrong. And then I'm adding one more at the 27 mark, and that should be 360. Oh yeah, and then I have to add an additional 360. Okay, so that's gonna be a $1,200 loss. So I think what I got to do is actually, if I give it 39 times 20, 780, 27. Okay, I got to do it that way. All right. Well, this is what I'm talking about, Rut Kid. The Nasdaq literally missed me right here, and it did this crap right here, squeezed right back up. But all right, guys, that's all I have for today. We'll come back later on tonight, and we'll definitely look for ways to earn more money. And with that said, have a good day, everybody. Peace out.